Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Alright, so the Solana video yesterday was also, the audio was very bad. I think there were two videos overlapping. Don't know how it happened. Okay, so let's do back. Let's go back here. Oopsie. Alright, so for Solana, we do have 5-way up, and I count this as a wave 1. Also, we had 5-wave down. Yeah, it's making something more, complex, I would say, as a correction. Maybe, yeah, kind of made, I don't know, ABC. This could have been just the A. This is the B and the C. You can call it also WXY. I don't go too deep into details because I have so many friends, they find that this is too complicated. So I try to keep it simple, and I'm not going to explain which would be better. Yeah, because my friends are like, should I buy or sell? No, but you need to understand. No, but just tell me. Yeah, it doesn't work with me. We need to understand what we're doing, and maybe I'm wrong. So, never trust blindly anyone, right? Okay, so we do have 5-way up. I can count this as a bigger wave 1 in green. Now, I know price was going up, actually, because once again, my friends, they were like, oh my god, like Solana is going up and you told me it would go down. And then I was, yeah, but like this more likely is going to be a B wave. And then it's like, no, but I'm going to miss my chance. And they bought some. And now it's going down. And there's, damn, I should have listened to you. Well, there is also halfway to go, right? I could be wrong. And, it could happen. But maybe this was a hidden ABC and we don't see it. This is micro counting once again. And I know Bitcoin, it was going higher, and then, yeah, for sure, Solana is going to get and drag up, right? But at the end of the day, Solana has to do what is good for his chart, and Bitcoin does whatever he thinks is good for his chart. So there you go. So we do have this AB, and now, yeah, we are having this C wave now. So I'm going just to move that around. So my first target is 142, let's say 50. Even more likely, even higher. Maybe I'm going to start to accumulate 143. And if you go lower, I will put more alarms. But hopefully it's not going to, yeah, the thing is now it's Friday, and then there is Saturday and Sunday. Hopefully it's not going to go there and that deep on the weekends, and then I will be unable to buy any ETF. Okay, so that was my inside frustration. Okay, so yeah, so this ABC for a moment anyway, it's working. Now I was saying to you, I think on the video, if we start to break this trend, maybe this is going to be the first sign that, yeah, the C wave is starting. You can see now we really broke that, so I can remove it. And now I could see the possibility that this oops, no, didn't want to do that. This could be a 1-2, and now we're working on the third, and then fourth and fifth, because this is supposed to be a C wave. So we need to look for a 5-wave down, unless it's doing something more complicated. Maybe I'm going to do a video on WXY correction one day, but it doesn't really change much. It doesn't really change the Fibonacci levels. It's just the structure. So at the end of the day, that's why I keep saying I try to keep it simple here. So if we pay our attention on the Fibonacci areas and not too much on the structure, it is easier. But for sure, I always look at the structure But micro counting 1 hour, the structure can not be perfect, so I don't emphasize on the 1 hour chart on the structure. For sure, it's always nice to have a perfect structure even on the 1 hour, but really it's the area that I focus on. Now, what's going to happen if price doesn't hold? Can I remove this one? Maybe I'm going to remove this one. What happens if price goes lower than 132.45? Well, it just means that we're making a deeper correction, and yeah, we are really making a WXY. And if I'm saying that, is because the Y is going to have an A, a B, and a C. And even though here I can count 5 way up, if you really zoom out, you can also see an A, a B, and a C. And this is, when you zoom out, and you're not zooming in into the 1 hour, but if you're looking, if you zoom out, then you can see clearly that I don't want to say this is a stretch, but and this fourth wave it is deep, so less reliable. Did I just erase it? But this fourth wave was kind of deep, right? So these are the issues now. Am I going to be sad if I buy some Solana 143 and price goes lower? Definitely not, because I will accumulate more. What happens if it goes lower? I will accumulate more. And if you reach the 0.618, here it's where, as you can see, I already have an alarm here. So once again, scaling partially in, it's key. All right, so now just want to check the RSIs. So the stock RSI is still on the overbought level. So I do find we are meant to make another correction. Now, is it going to be a small correction, a big one? We will need to see when it's going to reach those Fibonacci retracement level, if price really start to react or not. And this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys on Solana. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Bye.